Hey everyone, my name is Chris here with Investing with Chris, and welcome back to my Wealthsimple Portfolio Trade Challenge, where I try to make massive earnings on swing trades and ETFs. In terms of updates with the markets this week, there weren't any major news or earnings that would heavily affect the stock price this week, but the stock market did have a downturn later on Thursday and on Friday as well. There are two stocks that I'm currently looking at for this week starting on November 18th, which is Walmart and Nvidia. Walmart will have their earnings on Tuesday afternoon, I believe, and Nvidia will have theirs on the 20th, which is on Wednesday, the day after. Nvidia's earnings call on Wednesday will have a major effect across the entire stock market, not just including the tech market, but also other industries as well, as they are the top largest market caps in the world. In terms of their earnings call, I believe that they will beat their earnings, but not by much, and as a result, their stock price will plummet a little bit, as the stock market is currently pricing them to overly exceed their earnings, which I doubt they will do this Wednesday. Regardless of the outcome on Wednesday on Nvidia's earnings call, I do believe they are a long-term hold that everyone should have in their portfolio as we go further and further and become more innovative in the AI and technology sector. But I do believe that this Wednesday's earnings call is basically a buy the rumor, sell the news event, which basically means that there have been rumors, news about the earnings call where they have Blackstone purchasing tons of GPUs from Nvidia and saying that it is a top AI company, as well as adding in the tech earnings calls that happened 2 weeks prior, which helps build the momentum for the tech stocks, including Nvidia. So I do believe it will go down on Wednesday. In terms of updates with my portfolio, as you can see here, it did take a hit from last week. I was sitting around $20,000 in profits all time, and currently I am at $18,880, so roughly around $1,200 down since then. You can see here in my portfolio all time, $73,322 on the monthly, $137, the 3 months, $3,688, the 6 months, $7,080, on the yearly, $8,841. Looking down here in my cash account, I have $11, which I have not moved yet, and which I should, as I should make my money make more money for me and not be just sitting there collecting a measly 2.75% interest that Wealthsimple has decreased recently. Here we have my FHSA, which is sitting at $9,641, or all time $1,641, or 20.52% all time. And currently it is holding the best stock ever for a Canadian VFV. Here we have my non-registered account. It is currently sitting at $63,304, which has dropped significantly, as I said, since last week. And on the daily, as you can see on the Friday that I'm recording this, it is down $1,258, or 1.95% just that day, which is a considerable amount in my portfolio, because $1,200 down in one day isn't too great, but I am holding long term, so being down $1,250 is just a little dip in the long term horizon, as this is just a little dip and it will eventually keep going up. Yes, on the weekly I am down $1,462, or 2.26%, so even more. On the monthly I am down $126. The 3 months I am up $2,850, or 4.72%. The yearly $7,000.94, or 12.62%, and all time $17,000, or 36.91% all time. And as you can see here in my portfolio, I am still holding Apple. I am currently up $2,840, or 27%. You can see here on CNQ, I did talk about this last week, where I should be looking to sell it this week, but I wasn't able to find the time to look at the stock market and sell it, as I was busy with work. And currently I am down 6%, or $327, Hopefully next week they'll have a little rebound, so I'll be able to sell it at less of a loss and move that money elsewhere so I can make more money there. Here we have Dollarama. I am at $1,266 or 31.15% all time. Meta, $927 or 11.16%. Microsoft, $90 or 1.51%. And tech global ETF that tracks the top tech companies in the world, including Microsoft, Meta, Google, Nvidia, all the stocks that I currently owned that I've individually picked. It is currently up $1,371 or 46.63%. We have VAV. I am up $1,869 or 20.11%. XQT, $779 or 49.81%. And Nvidia, I am up $108 or 1.68%. And next week's video will be a bit different, where I'll be talking about swing trades and ETF specifically, as I don't think I made a video about that yet, and all I've been doing is just showing my portfolio and the stocks that I currently own. So look out for that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe down below if you did. Please leave a comment if you have any concerns or questions about my portfolio. If you ever want to join Wealthsimple, there's a link down in the description below where you can get a free stock with value between $3 and $3,000 if you use the link below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys next time.